here I have a frying pan right now on the stove. Pretty little bit of olive oil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to simply fry off some pan fried bacon. This is the way. I have 2 slices of bacon right here. Look at this lovely bacon. Straight in the frying pan like this. And also this one. So this is just a perfect pan fried bacon. Hopefully you guys like and nice. And this is a lovely pan fried bacon. With the pan fried bacon, it can go with anything. It can go with some bread and also bread roll. As you can see, looking lovely inside of the frying pan. Now we are waiting for that wonderful color. Really nice. It's 2 ways. You can put your bacon also inside of the grill or in your oven, laid out on a tray. But I'm giving you a short way to make yourself a nice, lovely pan fried bacon. This is the color which we are looking for of the bacon. That really nice, lovely goldish color. Look at that, really nice. So now this is finished. Now I'm just gonna make a nice, lovely sandwich for you guys. As you can see, what I'm talking about. Right now I'm gonna make you a pan fried bacon sandwich with egg. I boil the egg for roughly 16 minutes and cool it down. Remove the shell and cool it down for roughly another 10 to 15 minutes in some cold water. Well, now I grate of it, if you wanna mash it up, whatever way you wanna do with the egg when you boil it. But I grate of mine, and that's the way it look when I grate of it. Now I'm gonna put it on top of it like this. Now I'm gonna get the pan fried bacon and lay it on top of it. You can either cut up the bacon or you can leave it all like this. But it's really nice when you cut it up still. But I'm just giving you another idea. Then simple put some of the egg on top of it just like this. I'm already butter my egg, butter my bread. Sorry guys. And then simple. Put the bread on top and make yourself a nice lovely sandwich. Simple. Cut it into 4. Really nice, as you can see. I'm using the brown bread. Look at that. Really nice and beautiful egg and bacon sandwich. So enjoy the recipe and hopefully you enjoy it. I want to simply say visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and also subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking.